Good morning, students. Again, welcome back to my online class. So today we are going to start and also discuss about the chapter number 6 from your computer book is keyboard. So let's go to discuss about this chapter. So today we are going to discuss about the 6th chapter from your computer book. Chapter name is keyboard. So through this chapter we know about the keyboard and second alphabet keys, number keys, function keys and special character keys. So first we discuss about the keyboard. So this is a keyboard. All of you see this picture carefully. So a keyboard has 104 keys and also called 104 keys, and in this keyboard there are 104 keys. These keys are marked with some characters like letters, numbers, symbols on them. So in this keyboard there are many characters like letters, numbers, symbols. Various types of keys are found on the keyboard. So different types of keys are here like function keys, delete keys, number keys, alphabet keys, caps lock keys, spacebar key, arrow keys and enter key. So function keys are F1 to F12. In this part is called function keys, and delete keys DEL, it's called delete key. Okay, number keys like 1 to 0, 0 to 9 is called numbers keys. So in this keyboard there are only numbers from 0 to 9. Alphabet keys are here. So these are called alphabet key, and caps lock key, this is called caps lock key, CAPSLOCK, it's called caps lock key, and spacebar key, the longest key is called spacebar key. Arrow key, there are 4 arrow keys, 1 2 3 4, and enter key is here. So ENTER, it's called enter key, and enter sign is here. So turn in and next page. Now we discuss alphabet keys. So we use the keys marked with the letters for typing words, sentences or paragraphs. These keys are called alphabet keys. They are 26 in number. So in a keyboard there are 26 alphabet keys. Okay. So through these alphabet keys we use to type letters, sentences and paragraph also. For example, for typing a word Ramurti, you need to press the following keys. So eta word type koribor karone, suppose Ramurti dise, so ami first RAM click koribo lagibo, tar MOORTI click koribo lagibo. So Ramurti hoi jabo tetia. So next number keys, they are used to type number. Through these number keys we use to type numbers. There are 10 number keys marked from 0 to 9. So in a keyboard there are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. Number keys are positioned. First step is at the top of the alphabet keys. Alphabet keys or upor thake number keys bila. Second one, at the right end of the keyboard on a numeric keyboard. So right part of jitu keyboard thake number key, hetu numeric keyboard bili koa hoy. Next, function keys. Function keys are marked from F1 to F12. There are 12 in number. Function keys are used to perform different functions. So there are 12 function keys from F1 to F12, and through these function keys are used to perform different functions. Next one, special character keys. So a keyboard contains special keys that are used for different purposes. Let us learn about these keys. special character keys. First one, symbol keys. So symbol keys, these are called symbol keys. Plus, minus, plus, greater than, less than, etc. So symbol keys are marked with different symbol on them. Number keys also contain various symbols along with numbers. To type the symbol on a number key, you have to press and hold the shift key first. So আমি যেতিয়া এই চিম্বলবিলাক ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব কীবোৰ্ড মনিটৰত, তেতিয়া আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট শিফ্ট কি ক্লিক কৰি হোল্ড কৰিব লাগিব, দেন আমি চিম্বলটো ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব, তেতিয়াহে মনিটৰত উঠিব। নহ'লে শিফ্ট কিটো আমি ক্লিক নকৰি কিনে এইটো দবাওঁ, তেনেহ'লে কি হ'ব, এইটো ক্লিক নহ'ব। চ' আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট শিফ্ট কি হোল্ড কৰিব লাগিব, ফাৰ্ষ্ট ছেকেণ্ড আমি ছেকেণ্ড ষ্টেপত এইটো ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব, ইয়াৰে যিকোনো এটা চাইন, তেতিয়াহে মানে মনিটৰত দেখুওৱা যাব। দেন স্পেচ বাৰ কি, দ্য স্পেচ বাৰ কি ইজ দ্য লংগেষ্ট কি অন এ কীবোৰ্ড। চ' স্পেচ বাৰ কি ইজ দ্য লংগেষ্ট কি অন এ কীবোৰ্ড। উই ইউজ ইট টু গিভ স্পেচ বিটুইন কেৰেক্টাৰ্ছ এণ্ড ৱৰ্ড। চ' দুটা ৱৰ্ডৰ মাজত গেপছ দিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি ক্লিক কৰিম, কোনটো কি, স্পেচ বাৰ কি। চ' প্লিজ ৰিমেম্বাৰ দিছ, অ'কে। লেট আছ টাইপ এ চেণ্টেন্স, মাই নেম ইজ Rajan. Press the spacebar key once to give a space between the words. So আমি মাইৰ পিছত এটা স্পেচ দিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব, স্পেচ বাৰ। ছেকেণ্ড নেমৰ পিছত আমি স্পেচ বাৰ ক্লিক কৰিম, ইছৰ পিছতো স্পেচ বাৰ, দেন আমাৰ চেণ্টেন্সটো কমপ্লিট হৈ যাব। Another one is caps lock key. It is positioned at the left side of the alphabet keys. It is used to type capital letters only. Press the caps lock key once the caps lock light will turn on. So this is a caps lock key, and caps lock key alphabet key left side দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায়। So আমি caps lock key কেতিয়া ইউজ কৰিম, যেতিয়া আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট ৱৰ্ডটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট লেটাৰটো আমি কেপিটেলত লিখিব বিচাৰোঁ, দেন আমি কি ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব, caps lock key। Okay students, now turn in your another page. For example, type the sentence, I love my computer. So you have to see that all these words are capital letters, okay? So now press the caps lock key again. Type the sentence again and see the difference. So caps lock key click korile ami all word ki hobo capital letter hoi jabo. Next, enter key. Enter key is positioned at two places on a keyboard. While typing, it helps to start a new line or a new paragraph, and in giving command to a computer. আমি paragraph চেঞ্জ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে বা নিউ লাইনত যাবৰ কাৰণে আমি ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব এণ্টাৰ কি। চ' এণ্টাৰ কি আমি কম্পিউটাৰত বা কীবৰ্ডত দুটা প্লেছত দেখিবলৈ পাওঁ। নেক্সট, এৰো কিজ। দেয়াৰ আৰ 4 keys at the right hand side of a keyboard and are marked with arrow key sign. They are called arrow keys. The 4 keys are right arrow key, left arrow key, up arrow key and down arrow key. So right arrow key, left arrow key, up arrow key and down arrow key. So there are 4 arrow keys. So up arrow key, this one is up arrow key. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. আমি কাৰ্চৰটো ওপৰত ক্লিক কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, আপ এৰো কি ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব। নেক্সট, ডাউন এৰো কি, যেতিয়া আমি তললৈকে যাম তলত ক্লিক কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, ডাউন এৰো কি। নেক্সট, লেফ্ট এৰো কি, লেফ্ট ছাইডে যাবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি ক্লিক কৰিব লাগিব, লেফ্ট এৰো কি। এণ্ড ৰাইট ছাইডে যাবৰ কাৰণে আমি ৰাইট এৰো কি ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব। So backspace key. So backspace key is positioned at the right end in the row of number keys. It enables you to erase the letter, number or character to the left side of the cursor. So আমি left side পৰা letter, number or character বিলাক backspace key through দি আমি erase কৰিব পাৰোঁ। So another one is the delete key. So delete key is a special key. It is also known as del key. So delete key is also known as del key. Please remember, it is positioned above the arrow keys. So arrow keysৰ ওপৰত delete keyটো দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায়। It enables you to erase the letter or number on the right side of the cursor. So আমি delete key থ্ৰী দিওঁ letter number আৰু character বিলাক erase কৰিব পাৰোঁ. Last one is shift key. Shift key is positioned at two places on a keyboard. This key has two functions to perform. One is to type uppercase letter and second is to type symbol marked above numeric keys and other keys. Now our discussion period is over. So after that I will give all the question answers part along with MCQs and fill in the blanks part. So today all of you have to do answer the following part in your specific copies and also MCQs and fill in the blanks part in your main book copy, main book, okay? So and have to submit after 6:30 p.m. So till then, thank you and have a great day.